friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create drop down status in your Google Docs document. So let's say you're working on a document and you want to add a drop down menu for status. You can easily do that. So go ahead and select where in the document you want to create that drop down status, and here you want to click and insert from the menu options here. Then here you want to go to drop down. Once you click on that, you have the option that says project status, so you can easily use this option here, or even the review status. It's really up to you, whichever one you choose. Now once you do that, just simple click on that and you will see that you have the status now inserted. Now it comes with all the status there in it. So right now it is set to not started, and I can click this drop down, and as you can see I have, for example, in progress, blocked, or completed. So, and on top of that you can also add more. So let's say it says not started. In order to, you can click on start test, you can click on in progress, and you can see that it's not in progress. You can click and complete it. But what if there's something else that you want to add? For example, no, not block, but you want to say pause, for example. You can click on that. You can always go there and you can click and add and edit. So once you click on this add and edit option, you have the option to change it. You can also change the colors here as well. So I want to say block, but I want to say paused. You can change this to paused, and then I can click and save. And as you can see here, now when I check the menu options here, I have pause instead. And that's it. That's how you can go ahead, guys, and let's say add drop down status in your Google Docs document.